What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "She was told to leave. She decided to fight cops instead." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. On January 20th, 2025, officers with the Escambia County Sheriff's Office responded to a call in reference to a woman trespassing in a hotel. Upon arrival, officers made contact with the suspect, a 35-year-old named Jerica.
Hello. You just wanted to leave. Okay.
So the business is wanting you to
The
leave.
business, this ain't business, it's a house.
This or not hospital, this is a hotel.
You got from the hotel?
Yeah.
Hotel park, you in the hotel.
Do what now?
You in the hotel.
Yeah, this is a hotel.
This is balls.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't born yet. That's funny. You put me in a police car?
No, we don't want to do that.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think you'll take the police car ride. You'll take to the precinct?
No.
Right here.
We just need you to hit the road.
Now, I'll be up after my food I leave.
Well, unfortunately, we can't do that because they're asking you to leave, okay?
And then, well, I gotta leave.
Because they're asking you to leave. They want
They
you off.
do that around here.
It does not
They
matter.
ask me to leave when they know it's there.
Listen, it
It's
doesn't
not
matter.
there.
Listen.
It's not there.
Listen to me. I am speaking
Listen
to you.
I gotta listen to you.
Yes, you do.
I know.
You're either going to leave or you're going to go to jail. Do you
No,
understand
you
me?
gonna go to jail.
You're either going to leave or you're going to go to jail.
No, you gonna go to jail. You hear me? You gonna go to jail.
Man, we don't want you to go to jail for trespassing.
No, you trespassing. She's starring your shirt. You trespassing. Stop it. Stop cutting my eyes. Put your hand on it. Keep your... Understand? Keep your...
Oh, see my boy right here with the gloves, boy. My boy don't. I could tell he not trained on how to deal with people with they screws ain't wrapped too tight. Cause you could tell this lady ain't. She a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
All over this shit. I'm gonna kick your damn...
Or do anything with it.
No, you're control. I'm gonna kick your ass. It's not to put hands on people.
We don't want to do that.
Did you hear? You don't like it.
We just want you to leave.
Your ass. No, you leave. Leave.
Ma'am, all we're asking you to do is
Leave
leave.
off premises. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, that's what we're asking you.
Yeah, tell me what.
So it's either time to leave or we're going to take you to
I
jail.
don't need some more
It's either time to leave or we're going to take you to jail.
coffee. I don't need some more coffee. Get some
No,
more
you're
coffee.
not. 4-4, give us traffic.
No.
Stop.
Uh-oh.
No.
Uh-oh.
Go.
I'm going to tase you.
Say stop.
Hang on. Hang on, Nemo. Don't taser.
Ah.
4-4, signal 19.
Nemo, my way.
All right, I got her hand.
Unit Signal 36 at Comfort Inn 8080. Montana Highway 12C Charlie. All responding units. SW Channel 4 on your traffic.
Stop. Stop.
Get up.
Stop.
Hey, now. I ain't your friend no more.
Get down. Get down.
Get up. Bring your hand on me.
Stop. 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 Roll over. I got her legs, bro.
She squared up. You see her fight instead? She was ready to get jiggy with it. She was like, what? Hold up.
4-4, give us traffic.
Hold up. What? Oh, yeah.
No.
Act right.
Stop.
No. Go.
I'm going to tase you.
Say stop.
Hang on. Hang on, Nemo. Don't taser.
Ah.
4-4, signal
Got her
19.
together.
Nemo, my way.
All right, I got her hand.
Unit Signal 36 at number in 8080, Mountain Highway 12C Charlie, all responding units, 107204, holding traffic.
Stop! Stop! Get up! Stop!
Hey, nah. Hey, it's your friend no more.
Get down! Get down!
Get down! Bring your hand on me!
Stop! 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 Roll over! I got it, legs, bro. Get down on your stomach now! I'm done playing with you.
Ow!
Give me your hand!
Ow!
Stop! Give me your hand! Give me your other hand now!
Get off
Stop
of me!
reaching!
Get off my leg, man.
Give me your other hand now!
I did
Stop
already.
resisting!
I did
Put your
already.
hand behind your back!
Let
Put your hand behind your back! Put your hand behind your back!
my hand is on my back.
No, it is not.
I'm tell. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna tell you what you did. I told the guy to take the guy to take I'm telling you.
10-4, channel 70.
I'm telling you. You know what I'm doing? Tell you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Go ahead. Guess what? I'm telling you. You don't like it too. I'm telling you. Tell you. Don't you say
Stop.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Every time you laugh, I'm telling you. Stop. I'm telling you. You must. Hey, let go of my arm. You hear me?
No.
Let go of my arm.
No.
See, the one without the mustache is he got a short fuse.
That's what. Go ahead, eat. You like money? Go ahead.
Unit all units, 1022, the signal 36.
But the one with the mustache, he understands the situation. That's why he said don't tase her. Like, cause it's two guys. They could take her.
You alright? You alright? Steve? You alright?
You wanna check that side?
Go. Let my arm go. Let my arm go. Hey.
No. You're staying on this bumper.
Oh.
Overall, though, they did a good job. Good job.
I don't want to. Let's out. The boots out. Come on, get your arm on my mouth.
Come on, step up.
Excuse me, I gotta get in the car, sir.
If you don't, we're gonna have to. I didn't
I
double
gotta
up
get in
this.
the
Hold
car,
on.
sir. Excuse me. Move your arms so I get in the car. Can you move your arms so I get in the car?
Hang tight a
Can
second.
you move
Hang
your
on,
arms so
we're
I
gonna
get
fix your
in the
cuffs so
car?
they don't tighten up on
Can you
you.
move your arms so I get in the car? Move your arms so I get in the car, mister. Move your arms so I get in the car. You don't mind? Can you move your arms so I get in the car? Oh, shit, that's what you doing. That's it.
All right, go ahead.
Come on, sit down.
Yeah, whenever we got her on the ground while I was stalling, my shoulder was out of place.
I went to pull my taser and realized that that's not gonna work. It's molten padding, so I went to go put it back, and that's when she charged.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of, because I was kind of in your crossbar, and I was like, crap, we don't need a taser. Yeah, but then she actually took it to you. I didn't think she'd do that.
Oh, I got hit in the face with a coffee cup, and
That's why I backed up a little bit. I'm gonna go grab her stuff from inside. Well,
Got a little cleaning up to do.
I'll probably have to go to the doctor.
Forever to get there.
In the end, Jerica was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on an officer, and trespassing. Her case remains ongoing pending a psychological evaluation. If you like this video and want to see more,
Yeah, she cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. We already know. We come on, man. We already know she ain't wrapped too tight. She getting off that. I never understood why hotels, like, on the overnight shit, it just be like one person. Like, I'd be like, damn, that's... To me, I think that's dangerous. I feel like if I had a hotel, I would have it at least have like 2 people on or one person with a security guard. You know what I'm saying? Not like security guards or anything, but it's something. Something's better than nothing. You know what I mean? Because that's crazy. But yeah, I get the cops a 3. They did pretty good. You know, I'm glad they didn't tase her. They didn't need to. You know, like. They could take her, you know, so that was the right call by the one cop with the mustache.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.